So this is the lawn, and now it's a lake. The car got stuck. It's a Volvo. Here's the driveway. It was, now it's a lake. Oh, that's the school. The parking lot for the high school. And this is where we keep our stuff. Now it's all floating. I'm gonna throw everything in the garbage. Everything's a mess. This gate used to be closer over here to protect this. But now it's the way it is. That blue thing, Steve was trying to take the water out. He'll put like a pump right there in the end of the driveway, just pumping the water out. But now it's beyond, there's no use.